So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our business class tour. So now we get into the flight. So now we start. Wait 1 minute. This is how it look around for the mask.
And remember smoking.
Yeah, for the mask. And they have here. This is how the button for lay down. If you wanna lay down, that place is like for the charger, but it's not charging. Can you take out my thing? My power bank. Just take out because. Okay, guys, wait now. So, and this place is for the charger, but I tried to charge, but it's not working. But I don't know what's happening. And here I have my, what is called, my menu. This is my menu of today. So they show here on this paper how it look, all the instruction. So I don't want to look on it. Okay, so this is how my cities can look like, and this is it all over. 1 minute. So this is how my cities can look like. I want to show you around, guys, because I want to do today the tour. Yeah, I need to put my mask because I need to have mask. Let's look all over around the flight. Yeah, let's look at this. And my husband is sitting there, sitting in front. 5K. My window is very small. I think the another flight which I took was, the first flight was very big, more than this one. I can just show you on the, you can just see by yourself on the, here on the picture. I can show from this side and this side, because this was my first flight. I don't know this side or here on this side, but there's a one, this was my first flight, another one, this one is my second one, but this one is a little bit small and that one was very big, and I hope this one is good more than that one. Thank you, guys. So guys, I want to show you everything. Now is the time. They bring juice to us. I just come with my own water. Very nice. This is towel. This is towel. Yeah, a fresh towel, this one. They have apple juice. G, can you say hi to the people? When you show your head up, because I see only the up of your head. I don't see your mouth. Yeah, now I see a little bit mouth. Okay. How are you doing? Are you doing? You drink today apple juice? I think maybe that tea from the first flight, that mint was not good for you.
No, it was good. I think I ate too much oil. I ate white oil and I ate your oil.
Oh.
So too much fat.
Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. So my juice. What is that?
You asked about the bread.
Yeah, we'll eat that one for the breakfast.
Let's
Let me see my menu. Which number? The Sikh Arabic appetizer.
Hummus.
Classic Arabic maize. This is hummus, eh? Yeah. So wow, I will just eat that one for the breakfast, I think.
And I eat lamb chops.
Lamb chops, where is it? Mains. Lamb chop. I don't see. Yeah, I see. Yeah, we'll eat too. It looks so beautiful. Lamb chops. Lamb chops. The word is look good, eh? Okay, so I take this one. I take that appetizer, hummus, cheese. You don't take cheese.
I was sitting on that like cheese.
How it was taste? Normal.
I liked. I don't know if you like.
No, I don't want a cheese. Red berry sauce.
Very strange. I don't see.
I will take tomato, chili, and the spicing lemon, right?
Yeah. No, take only tomato cheese.
Yeah, this one for.
If any customer forgot his mobile Huawei in the waiting area, please identify yourself to the nearest cabin crew. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the blanket here, and I was there. Like I forgot the name in English. I can't believe this is my socks. I don't have socks. I will put this one. Something somewhere here, guys, and yeah. So here they have headphone and just headphone, I think. Just headphone. They will say to me they have one.
Mr. Stefan, and looking after your safety and comfort in cabin today are CSD Mildred and our award-winning team. Our flight time today is 6 hours 20 minutes. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 41,000 feet. We are expecting generally good weather en route. However, we may experience some turbulence during the flight. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt signs are switched off. Before we begin our descent, we'll update you with the latest weather and arrival information. Until then, please make yourself comfortable and enjoy our world-class service. I wish you a very pleasant journey on board this Qatar Airways flight. Thank you. Arm doors for departure and cross-check.
Face this one, tomato chili. And this one. And lamb drinks, oh, they have orange?
Yeah, of course. Orange is the fresh one.
Fresh one?
Yeah.
So orange.
Fresh orange. Would you like still water, sparkling water?
I think they have water here.
Okay, I'll bring you on this side.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our
Still
privilege class in one world taking
Still sparkling?
Hand luggage has been placed in the overhead storage compartment.
So guys, this is a place just to changing the window color. So you can make this window become dark or you can make it become very white. This is a place to put this thing.
Come on, lads. Get around. Send them over to the page. The emergency exits, you'll see. Emergency exit, something on. And the lighting will guide you to
toilet is very small. This is mirror, and this is me. So let me go to the toilet first. The place put trash bin, and this is Mora. As you can see. The place for the flushing, and here just put all the. This is tissue. This is some water. This is cold. And they have soap here and all the shampoo. So I think guys already see all the toilet house. Look, all over around they have some mirror. So let's open. Breakfast. This hummus and this, and wow. This is rice. I don't know about this one. Vegetable, tomato. Okay, let me try. Come in here.
And you need this jacket work like made.
Jacket?
But you can put a small size. If you travel, you can put it in the back.
Yeah, I didn't want to carry the jacket that time because of cold.